Ever been stuck with a dead phone while camping or traveling? Today, we're exploring the top 6 best solar USB chargers for fast charging 2026 that keep your devices powered anywhere. Welcome to the channel. Check the links in the description to grab these lifesavers for your adventures. At number 6 is MINRISE Solar Power Bank. Imagine being deep in the wilderness, your phone at 5%, and no outlet in sight. Panic sets in. But the MINRISE Solar Power Bank is here to save the day. With a massive 40,000 milliamp-hour battery, this portable charger offers the kind of power that feels limitless without weighing you down. Perfect for anyone who hates being tethered to walls. Equipped with 20-watt power delivery ultra-fast charging, it can juice an iPhone 15 from 15% to 65% in just 30 minutes, eliminating low battery anxiety on the go. What really sets it apart is the built-in 4 charging cables and 9 charging methods, meaning you never fumble with extra cords. The rugged ABS body, reinforced silicone corners, and waterproof, dust-proof design make it ideal for outdoor emergencies. Dual ultra-bright flashlights extend up to 165 feet for 25 hours, adding a layer of safety and peace of mind. Compared with others, it delivers unmatched versatility and reliability for adventurers who demand both convenience and durability. We tested this for real-world comfort, and it truly stands out. If you travel, camp, or just want a fail-safe power backup, this is a smart buy, though casual users may find it overkill. Check the links for current pricing. It's worth every penny for the freedom it provides. On number 5 is Dongindar 40-watt charger. Picture this. You're miles from civilization, your device is running low, and the stress is real. But the Dongindar 40-watt solar charger turns that panic into relief. Unlike many compact panels, this charger delivers a full 40 watts through its 12-volt DC port, while its QC 3.0 USB-A and PD 2.0 USB-C ports provide rapid charging for phones, tablets, laptops, and power banks, ensuring you stay connected in every scenario. Its lightweight, foldable design at 1.65 pounds makes it incredibly portable, yet it doesn't compromise on durability, featuring IP67 dust-proof and waterproof protection with a 25-year lifespan. The intelligent chip optimizes output with near 99% tracking efficiency, safeguarding devices against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. Compared with others, it offers unmatched stability for fast charging in the field. We tested this for real-world comfort, and if you're an outdoor enthusiast, camper, or emergency preparedness seeker, this is a smart investment. Though casual indoor users may not need its full potential, it's worth the security and peace of mind it provides. At number 4 is Mregb Solar Power Bank. Imagine being on a remote hike, your phone at 2%, and the stress is real. But the Mregb Solar Power Bank instantly turns that worry into relief. With a massive 42,800 milliampere-hour battery, it powers up to 3 devices simultaneously, keeping smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets fully charged no matter where you are. The USB-C port doubles as input and output, while the QC 3.0 fast charging support ensures your devices juice up quickly. Crafted from rugged ABS material with chemical resistance, heat tolerance, and super surface hardness, it survives drops, dust, and water with IP67 protection, making it ideal for harsh outdoor conditions. Its super bright LED flashlight runs up to 100 hours, adding an extra layer of safety. Compared with others, it offers unparalleled capacity and reliability for adventurers. Tested for real-world comfort, we recommend this for campers, travelers, and anyone needing peace of mind. It's a smart, dependable investment. On number 3 is ELECOM NESTOUT Portable. Imagine being outdoors, your devices draining fast, and the anxiety of a dead battery creeping in. But the ELECOM NESTOUT Portable instantly turns that stress into confidence. Inspired by vintage fuel bottles, this award-winning design combines style with function, featuring high-efficiency SunPower Maxion solar cells that boost energy capture up to 24%, keeping your phones, tablets, and Bluetooth earbuds powered reliably. Dual USB-A ports, an LED current checker, and adjustable stands ensure you get optimal charging wherever you are, while the durable, water-resistant ripstop nylon bag and exterior hooks make setup effortless on tents, trees, or backpacks. Compared with others, it balances portability, durability, and performance in real-world outdoor scenarios, tested for real-world comfort. For travelers, campers, or anyone seeking peace of mind in remote settings, this is a smart investment, though casual indoor users may not utilize its full potential. At number 2 is SABRENT VOLTIK Charging Station. Imagine walking into your workspace or home and realizing every device is low on battery. Panic or frustration hits. But the SABRENT VOLTIK Charging Station instantly solves that stress. Delivering a staggering 252 watts across 4 USB-C ports at 100 watts each and 4 USB-A ports at 18 watts, it powers laptops, tablets, phones, and more simultaneously without compromise. The built-in color LCD screen provides real-time feedback on wattage, voltage, amperage, and internal temperature, giving you peace of mind and precise control over your charging. UL-certified safety ensures protection against overcharge, overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits. Compared with others, it combines speed, efficiency, and versatility in one compact hub, tested for real-world comfort. For professionals, families, or tech enthusiasts seeking a clutter-free, reliable charging solution, this station is a smart, practical investment, though casual users may find its full potential excessive. Now moving to the last one is Kepswin Solar Power Bank. Imagine being deep in the wild, your device is nearly dead, and the panic sets in. But the Kepswin Solar Power Bank turns that worry into confidence. With an enormous 49,800 milliamp-hour battery and support for simultaneous charging of 3 devices via USB-C and USB-A ports, it keeps phones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets fully alive wherever you go. 15-watt fast charging ensures minimal downtime, while the rugged, waterproof, and dustproof design protects it from drops and harsh conditions, complete with a carabiner for easy attachment to backpacks. The 3-mode LED flashlight adds safety for night adventures, and 5 LED indicators let you monitor power in real time. Compared with others, it delivers unparalleled capacity, reliability, and versatility for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Tested for real-world comfort, we recommend this for anyone needing peace of mind, though casual users may find its size overkill. The clear winner is the Kepswin Solar Power Bank. With an enormous 49,800 milliamp-hour capacity, it powers up to 3 devices simultaneously, ensuring you never face low battery anxiety in the wild. Rugged, waterproof, and dustproof, it's built for harsh conditions, while 15-watt fast charging minimizes downtime. The 3-mode LED flashlight and real-time LED indicators add safety and convenience. Compared with others, it offers unmatched reliability, versatility, and peace of mind for travelers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts, making it a smart investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best solar USB chargers for fast charging 2026. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.